Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on automatic appearance modes, so the light and dark mode on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So, what you want to do is to go to the settings, then go to the display and brightness, and here you can choose from the dark mode and the light mode. Also, as you can see, you can turn on the automatic modes, appearance modes on the iPhone. So let's click on this one, and from the factory settings, the basic settings, you are going to have the light until sunset from. So from sunrise to sunset you are going to have the light mode, and from the sunset to sunrise, so during the night, you are going to have the dark mode, and it works as you have your current location. So if you are going to travel to another half of the world, this is going to switch automatically. So also you can go to this option and you can set it to sunset to sunrise. You are going to have the dark mode. Also you can turn on this custom schedule. So as you can see, if you select the custom schedule, you can select the time when the light is going to come up. So let's say I want to have set 6 AM, and the dark, to show you that it works, I'm going to set it 2 PM. As you can see, now it already switched to the dark mode. If I'm going to pass the 2 PM, so to 3 PM, it is going to switch to the light mode. So this is how you can set your automatic appearance on the iPhone. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!